studied in BCCI. How do you differentiate instruction?
I differentiate my instruction through having diagnostic test first to assess the prior knowledge of my students, and then I formulate specific learning activities for students with different learning styles and learning needs.
What are the challenges you encounter?
I face a lot of challenges during my profession, so mostly it's very challenging to encounter students with difficulty in reading. If the students cannot read, they will have difficult times during the class because it follows through all subject areas. Pag is nakabalong mabasa, wa sa'yo masabtan sa tanan subject.
You support socio-emotional development.
I support social-emotional development through talking to my students and provide support for them and make them feel that they are welcome, that their teachers are willing to listen to them, and also we communicate with their parents to guide and help their pupils with their issues, with their emotional development.
Or acceleration strategies you use?
For advanced learners, I use gamified learning activities, and I provide more challenging tests for them to keep them challenged. And I also use peer activities for the advancers to transfer what they have learned to their classmates para share nilang ilang.
How do you monitor progress?
I monitor progress by having formative assessment and summative assessment in the class, and after determining the learning needs and competencies that the students need to improve, I provide extra support such as remedial classes for them, and also I provide more examples, especially in math, for them to master.